Well, we're gonna unbox some stuff. I ordered some plushie, so let's see what we got. Okay, let's open the first box of plushie from over here. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay, let's see. So, here's the first batch. Okay, let's see. Look like simply made toy. A&A Global Industry. Made in China. View MD. Oh man. This the ear? Look like a I thought it was gonna be better made. Oh well. So I'm gonna have a convention. Well, it's some attack. I'm gonna have a convention in I think July 31st to August 1st. No, I think July 30th. But yes, I'm gonna be selling these toys. See how the other one made. Well, at least the ear a bit softer on this one than that one. Oh man, what the hell? So the foot not completely filled in on this one. That is same. Shit. Oh, this one more filled in. Some part of the ass exposed. Oh man, these are cheaply made. Oh. Buy a huge box full of these. What did I buy? Well, I guess I'm screwed on that one. Okay, see the bird one. Probably make more sense for this one. There's the white one. Cat. Okay, I guess that would do. What other ammo do I have? For this blue one. This is supposed to be penguin. Okay, let's see what else. This red one. This is supposed to be a cat or something. This army badly made. See if it. Okay, this one looks bad. I gamble and I might not do well. Okay, okay. I think this is supposed to be a bunny or pig. What is it supposed to be? Service washable only. Do not machine wash. Use bun of them. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, look like this is not well made. Okay, the cat. about to sell these. And this animal. Okay. But this green one over here. Oh, I think it's supposed to be a dog. Why the ear tip in? It's supposed to be like that. Guess so. I think it's up. But oh, yeah, I think it's been very made. Bang like. Oh well. But this. So are we see that? I think it's supposed to be like a duck or something. So cheap. Yeah, these are pretty much cheaply made. See what this one. Supposed to be a cat or polar bear or something. Oh. Okay. 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 Look like they're inconsistent, so I hope I can sell these. I bought like these little boxes now. What about this one? Oh, I already did that one. I think this one was supposed to be a lamp. Well, oh, here's a different one. Maybe just a biggest creature? Anything different? No. Did I do this one yet? Oh, I think this one's supposed to be a fox. What did the fox say? Okay, the color is not consistent. Oh man. Okay, so they might be slightly off from each other. I could just to a dog if he can play with it. So these are the toys that supposed to be in the cloud machine. Up. Okay, let's see. Like this is supposed to be a cat, huh? Okay, I will sell these at the Anna Manga Convention 2021 at Ontario, California. Not to be confused with Ontario, Washington. And the province Ontario in Canada. So it'll be in Ontario, California. I will sell these and hopefully make some money. Bag. That one bag's like 2, 3, 4, 2 or 4 bags. So how many in each one? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, 36 times 4. Holy shit, that's a lot. So I have 144 of these. So that's end for this one. We will open the next box. So if any of you going to the Anna Manga in Ontario, leave me a comment. Okay, bye. Hello again, I have a different plushie toy. These seem to be bigger. Let's see what I got. Okay, here, duck. Got this dragon thing. A cow. A pink bunny. An elephant. A frog. Something. Okay, this one's a frog. So, what's the other one? Okay, it looks like they're the same but different color texture. Look like a this one look like a donkey. Yeah, I can't make out from these animals. A pinkish cow. See how this compares to the other one I had. Okay, they're slightly bigger. So, red duck one. So I will see you at the convention, and these will be for sale. Oh wait, this one look different. Okay, so they be at there. Okay, bye.